So hello everyone. Someone already did the honors of introducing our Paradrop router that we have here today. This is a relatively new hardware prototype that we're working on. So great hardware capabilities. And much more than that, it's not just a Wi-Fi router, but it's running our Paradrop software. So let's take a look here. Like an ordinary Wi-Fi router, we have our network settings, we set IP addresses, your Wi-Fi ESSID, all that good stuff. But it also has software modules that you can install, like apps on your phone. So I have a number of them here today. We have some that are for your home, we have some that are for an office, or some that are for a small business like a restaurant. So let's start off with our home example. As we talked about, we're interested in building applications for home safety and security. And what I have today is a Wi-Fi camera that's connected to the router and a speaker. This could be a Wi-Fi speaker, but today we're wired just for simplicity. And the camera is going to be used for security tasks like detecting motion, detecting if there's someone in your house, and also for some fun things like playing your favorite song. So we open up this app and I realize these are not all polished, but this is the general idea. It can show you a live stream of the video that's going on in your house. It can show you some pictures, some photos that are recorded previously. Let's go over to this last one, security tab. Oh, something's going off. So what we have going on here is we're actually running a face detection algorithm on the router. Now, it just detected me. I don't know how it got it out of that unclear photo, but it detected me and determined, okay, so it's Lance, so I'm going to play the song that he picked. Can I get Derek up here? So now imagine someone strange walks into your house.
You're taller than me, so.
All right. And then it plays an alarm. So the thing to realize here is all of this is running on the router. This website you see, this paradrop.io, that resolves to the router when you're connected to it. The processing, the face recognition, all of that's running on the router. So I'm not sending your security video footage to a cloud server anywhere. It's staying inside your house and being processed there. Let's think of some other things we can do. Say you're working with teams, or one thing I've always wanted to do was run my own wiki in my home, that I could put private information, take notes, keep that kind of stuff organized. So we have a private wiki that runs on the router. And when you connect to it, just like a normal wiki, you can click on links to go to different pages. You can edit this. Say, some text. So this is a live demo. And save this. So just a little wiki you can run on your home router. You can imagine doing much more with this. You could store media, like your photo album. You could store videos and watch them on any device in your home. So this is just the tip of what you could do. Let's imagine also, say you're working with a team on some projects. I'm a developer, so I lean more toward development tools. Some of you may have heard of Jenkins. It is a popular tool for automating tasks when you're developing code. So you can have it run tests and automatically. It is hard to type and talk at the same time. Okay, so I started setting this up. So It's an automation tool that you can tell it where your Git project is. You can tell it to check out commits from the project, when there are changes, run some automated tests, email you if there's a failure, or if it's successful, then you can build it and deploy it to a server. So all these things you can automate with a tool like Jenkins. So you can imagine now you're working with a team on your projects, like you might be doing for Paradrop, and you could use a tool like this that runs on the Paradrop router. So finally, last thing I want to look at is now imagine you're in a restaurant. Paradrop Bar and Grill. So say you walk into the restaurant and you connect to their free Wi-Fi. Then you can bring up on your phone their menu. You can order off the menu instead of those goofy little ad-filled things on your table. You can look at what are their specials. And of course, why not play some games? So while we're here, we'll play some games. Okay, this is all running off the router and then going to your web browser. Oh, we have sound. So, familiar block falling game. Again, you can imagine doing much more interesting things with this. So you're in a restaurant with a bunch of other people. So you can make some multiplayer games. You can make this competitive with scoring. You can do trivia. You can do, I don't know, think of what you can do using video. So lots of great things that you could do with this platform. That's what I have. Thank you.